If you're a coach or an entrepreneur, you already know that profiling is powerful, but most tools are expensive, they're generic, and you don't own the data. And that's exactly what we hear every single day. Coaches blending into the noise because they're stuck using the same generic tools as everybody else.
We were using a multitude of tools, so things like meta programs from NLP, Myers-Briggs, disc profiling, Wealth Dynamics from Roger Hamilton, Lencioni suite of tools such as the Working Genius. We had multiple different things that we were doing. One of the biggest challenges with that was that there were so many different assessments, and each one of them was showing us an isolated piece of what we really wanted to know.
I was, to a certain extent, floundering in terms of really feeling comfortable with leveraging somebody else's assessment, somebody else's model, using terminology that doesn't necessarily resonate with my clients.
Competency is key for coaches. As a coach, you need to show your market that you know enough to be able to solve that problem. Without that, marketing won't work. So I contacted Danny and I said, I feel I need what you do.
Now that's why we create signature profiling systems, built for you, branded by you, and profitable from day one. Now, these systems can be used for lead generation, recruitment, training, or full-scale profiling inside your business with your clients. So whether you're in leadership, trading, coaching, or training, the pain is exactly the same. Generic tools, lost data, and missed opportunities.
The experience now is a seamless one. And so not only do we have our own signature system, which obviously is a huge credibility, I think it's a more seamless experience, but it's also a much more cost-effective one for us as well. So, we don't have that cost of goods sold, challenge in the same way that we did before, potentially getting 5 to 7 profiles per individual. We now have one, and we can also put that data together and create some really compelling workshops for clients that get those insights.
I knew that there was a way to connect what essentially was a business assessment, talent dynamics, with a personal growth assessment, which is the 6 human needs, as well as real world experiences. But I just didn't have the tool to do that. And the 5D Leadership Compass is that tool.
Now, if you've ever thought, I wish there was a way I could become number one in my niche, or I wish I could charge more for my programs, or I wish I could become the go-to person in my space, then you should definitely book a call with us and let's have a conversation. So whether it's simplifying delivery, building authenticity, or creating new revenue streams, the results speak for themselves.